A Detroit nonprofit called A Girl Like Me helps teen moms and their families. For the past 3 years, they've given away toys for Christmas. But the need and the community response this year was so great, they've doubled the number of children receiving gifts.
We have Cocoa Melon, we have Fortnite cars.
Tyra Moore's home office looks more like Santa's workshop.
I'm just so happy and excited because once I put a call for action like on my social media pages, the community, they come through.
Since Halloween, the mom of 4 has been busy collecting toys for children this holiday season.
Last year when they did 100 people, I was like, I want to shoot for 200 kids this time.
This is what we wanted to do. It's not like people say, hey, we need toys. It's we want to give you these toys. We want you to have this. We want you to have an even better Christmas than you're going to have.
Tyra got pregnant with her first child at 14, along with her husband, Juwan, a Detroit firefighter. The pair launched A Girl Like Me in 2019.
It makes me feel so great because I see that I do have a village of people that's still helping me back from when I was the teen mom and no one knew, and I'm still getting a heavy response, and I love it.
They have 4 children and know that while toys are a want, diapers are a need and at high demand.
A lot of parents, they still need like formula, diapers, baby clothes. So when I ask on their wish list, what do they need the most? I see like cribs and beds, and I try my best to get those items.
It's gone from my wife and I just filling up baskets ourselves and getting toys to give out to people just sending things from God knows where.
In lieu of Santa's sleigh, the couple was up early Friday morning renting a U-Haul, loading up bags of gifts to distribute over the weekend.
They really think I'm Mrs. Claus, my husband is Santa Claus. They are just so happy. They don't care. Just when they see the bag, they just are just very excited. They already know what time it is.
We need help. We need hands as much as we need money. We need volunteers. Help us to keep this going. Help us to continue to help those in need. And remember, A Girl Like Me isn't just about girls. It's about fathers. It's about grandparents. It's about everyone.
It's just fantastic to see how much the charity has grown in just 3 years. And they put out a call on social media, and look at their place. It was just packed to the gills with Christmas toys and then diapers and formula and stuff for new moms. I know. And it took me a second. So the name of the nonprofit is called A Girl Like Me. While talking to her, I realized, because you're helping teen moms. You were a teen mom once. You knew how much help you needed at that point. And look at her paying it forward.
Full circle.
Yes, absolutely. If you'd like to donate, you heard them asking for some help. We have info on clickondetroit.com. The toy giveaway is actually today from 1 to 4 in Farmington. Families did have to register beforehand, but if A Girl Like Me collects more toys, they'll hold another giveaway before the holiday is over.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Coming up